I'm Sam Goldwater. I'm the CIO, Executive Director and co-founder of Generate. And I'm here to talk about the Focused Growth Fund. The objective of the fund is to deliver strong returns over the long term, which is something that the KiwiSaver sister fund has managed to do over almost a 12-year period. So when the fund was launched in 2013. The fund is actively managed and it has a target to growth assets of 95%. An investor with at least an 8-year time horizon is what we recommend. The investor should be able to still sleep at night when there's market volatility, such as market corrections or even a bear market. Not losing sleep over the performance of their fund. The target asset allocation is 95% to growth assets, and within those growth assets, 65% is global equities and 30% is Australasian equities and property. The way that the fund works is it invests into our wholesale fund layer. So it invests into the thematic fund, which is available on GoalsGetter, which is a thematic fund where the portfolio manager invests into themes that have strong tailwinds. Also the Global Direct fund, which is a bottom-up investment process. The Managers Fund, which is where we hold our external funds, including our private equity and venture capital funds, and also the Australasian Equities Wholesale Fund, which has a solid weighting to infrastructure and property. I have 27 years of financial markets experience and I'm also the manager of the Wholesale Managers Fund. Dan Frost joined us in 2017. Formerly he was an analyst at Macquarie and Dan is CFA qualified. About a year after Dan joined, Andrew Bolland joined the team out of SALT Funds Management. Andy has about 15 years of financial markets experience and is also CFA qualified. And so Dan and Andy, they manage the Wholesale Australasian Equities Fund. Ethan Oliver joined us in 2020 from JP Morgan in London. Ethan has over 10 years of financial experience and he's our fixed income portfolio manager. Warwick Simons, who manages our Global Direct Fund. He's actually based up in Seattle, but I worked with him side by side in our offices in Auckland prior to that. So Warwick's got some 24 years of financial markets experience. He's actually not an employee of Generate's, but we have an investment management agreement in place there. Nathan Field, who manages our thematic fund. Nathan has 28 years of experience. He's worked in the UK, Australia and New Zealand, but immediately before Generate he was at Kiwi Wealth for over 10 years, where he notched up an impressive track record, outperforming his benchmark. 3 investment analysts, 2 of which are doing a great job supporting our global equities PMs, and we also have an ESG analyst. Finally, we have an investment operations specialist whose job it is to make sure that the engine keeps running smoothly as far as trade settlements and the likes are concerned. Yeah, so our ideas generation comes from a range of sources. For example, engaging with corporates and all their competitors, from independent third-party research, from selected sell-side analysts, and just the cumulative decades of investment team experience. The Focus Growth Managed Funds, its sister fund, so the KiwiSaver fund, has been the stellar performer in the Morningstar aggressive category for some time now. As of the June Morningstar KiwiSaver survey, the Focus Growth Fund was #1 for both 1-year and 10-year returns.